time in the Skyliner. Oh my goodness gracious. Woo! Woo! Our first time.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be fun.
Oh boy. Here we go. Ready for takeoff.
Yeah.
I don't like heights. We'll see what happens. Oh, we made it.
Made it to the Skyliner.
Super cool.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Hollywood Studios. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Epcot International Gateway, Disney's Pop Century Resort, and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We hope you enjoyed your visit to Hollywood today. Now wave goodbye to your adoring fans below. Bye!
Bye.
Bye.
We're, was it 9:52 on a Sunday. There is not many people at Hollywood today. So we're gonna come back in a little bit. We decided to hop on the Skyliner here and take our first trip. Woohoo! Excited?
Yeah.
All right. This is super cool. Oh, there goes Pluto.
Pluto!
Right, so we made it finally, first time, to the Skyliners. Awesome. Just came over from Hollywood. We're not going to be heading over to Epcot because right now it's down. So we might head over to Pop real quick and just come back and a quick little ride. There's practically nobody at Hollywood, so we're gonna hang out in Hollywood. Hopefully do Galaxy's Edge. We'll see. Go down over the water.
We are now gliding over the sparkling waters of Hourglass Lake.
Alright, so off the Skyliner, and that's the way to the Art of Animation, if you make a right. Oh, this is the one that has the mermaid room. Oh, I see.
And there's music, and when you go underwater in the pool, there's music.
Oh. I've never got to stay here. Ooh, it's squishy right here.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my.
Fast?
Yes.
Or is it just faster because it's cold?
It's faster because it's cold.
It is what's about 60 degrees today in November. That's why we all have jackets on. Yeah, it's Florida. It'll be hot in like 2 days. 55 degrees right now in Florida. Oh, very cool. Love the jellyfish. That's super cool. I'm gonna go see if there's any Christmas stuff in the Art of Animation lobby. We've never been here before, so we just wanted to walk around and see all the cool stuff. That's awesome. Like I said, apparently we're gonna have to stay here one time. Love the theming over here. It's just fabulous. The walkway is awesome. Of course, being a car guy, you know, gotta love this area. Look at Mater.
Mater. Wow. Hi, Mater.
Alright, we found Lightning McQueen. Alright, so when you leave the Skyliner, we're going to make a left. And we're heading over to Pop Century real quick. See what we can see over here. See if there's any Christmas decorations on this side. Alright, we're gonna go in the lobby at Pop Century. See if we can find some Christmas decorations. Oh. Tree.
There's an elf on the
See if we can get zoomed in up there.
A few moments later.
It's cold. It's in the 50s. We're at Hollywood Studios. Oh, I love the decoration so far. Dancing. We found the Christmas tree. We love those old school decorations. First bite. Gotta try it. See how goopy it is.
Trying to get all of it.
Go all the way down there. What do you think?
I think it's amazing.
See how it is. Yeah. Cinnamony. Yummy.
I'm trying to get some chocolate.
Well, nutmeg. I think there's some chocolate on the bottom. I didn't get any of that, but it's good.
Oh, we got a piece of the cake.
Cool.
Piece of the cake.
Cool. Of course, the kid got the cake. Let's see if we can get some. Whoa. Big bite. A little chocolate in there.
Mommy, there's chocolate in there.
Mama didn't get no chocolate cake. She's mad.
Oh, I got some chocolate.
So how's your first holiday tree? Good? Digging it?
Worth it.
Considering the fact that it's already gone and it only took about a minute for it to disappear.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're getting ready to go on Star Tours. Woohoo! We got our glasses.
I look like a nerd.
You're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen them?
They're one of this transport could possibly be up to spy.
Here. This is the speeder we're looking for. Blast them!
Oh, Batu, how I love you. You actually can't open him up. You just can't live inside of him. Stay in the line for Smuggler's Run. It's 90 minutes. And we are nowhere near the Falcon. I don't think we're going to get to ride the Falcon today. Still, amazing sight to see. Rex has got his antlers on.
Woody asked me to welcome all of you to Andy's backyard, but
Alright, there's where we're heading. Heading over the Tower of Terror. First time.
shadow and substance of things and ideas. You just crossed over into the twilight zone.
What'd you think of Tower of Terror?
It was fast.
It was fast?
And it was terrifying.
It was terrifying? Did you come out of your seat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, oh!
Yeah, I came out of my seat too. Woo.
I honestly don't want to do that.
You survived? I'm okay with the height. I didn't let it live up to its own thing.
No, I'm good. Don't need to do that one again.
Checked off, box done.
Box checked. Love all the Jack stuff. We got the Mickey Santa Hat Chocolate Mousse. So pretty. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead.
Can I dig in?
Dig in.
Can I take the cookie in here?
How was it?
Good. Amazing.
Very moussey.
Could I
It's like rich chocolate. It's not like milk. It's like a little more rich.
try and get the cookie right there?
Let's see. The mousse is very rich. Very good.
I'm about that bad.
It's not like some of the sugar-free ones that you get that are pretty gross. It's actually really good. So you had the hot chocolate,
Yeah.
Goofy's hot, not so hot chocolate,
Uh-huh.
and we had the Mickey Santa Hat Mousse.
Uh-huh.
Which one was your favorite?
Mickey Santa Hat Mousse.
What's your mama? What was your favorite?
I think I like the Goofies hot chocolate better.
Oh,
Could I have this, Mommy?
she likes the Goofy. Last bite.
Yeah.
Squished it into the plate. I think same thing. I think I like the Goofy's. What's it called? I think I like the Goofy's hot chocolate, not so hot chocolate, green. Has definitely more of a holiday flavoring to it. That just tastes like regular chocolate mousse.
Yeah. All right. Good.
Oh, love Chip and Dale. All right. So we just finished up at Hollywood Studios. We do a bunch of cool stuff. See a bunch of cool Christmas stuff. Had some yummy Christmas snacks. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So did you have a fun day?
Yeah.
It'll be 55 degrees outside. Still chomping on ice. All right. Well, thanks for hanging with us, guys, and we'll be back around for some more videos next time. Thanks a lot.